This is IAL C34 May 16. Express 3 cos theta plus 5 sin theta as r cos theta minus alpha. So r cos theta minus alpha is r cos A cos B plus r sin A sin B. This is A, this is B. I remember that formula, that's why I'm saying A and B. So this is cos theta and this is cos theta. So we can say that r cos alpha is equal to 3. R cos alpha is equal to 3. And here this is sin theta and this one is sin theta. So we can say that 5 is equal to r sin alpha, or r sin alpha is equal to 5. So we square both, so r square, this is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is equal to 3 square plus 5 square, and 3 square is 9 and 5 square is 25. 25 plus 10, 35 minus 1, 34. We know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So r will be root 34. If we divide this, r sin alpha over r cos alpha is equal to 5 over 3. This r and r cancels. Sin alpha cos alpha is 10 alpha, so alpha will be 10 inverse or arctan 5 over 3. So that is 59 point up to 2 decimal places. So that is 59 point 04. So that is the answer of first part. Alpha is 59.04 and r is equal to root 34. Part A. This was part A. Now part B. Solve this equation. 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta. So 5 cos theta plus 5 sin theta, 3 cos theta plus 5 sin theta is equal to r cos theta minus alpha. So I can write this straight away. R is root 34 cos theta minus alpha is 59.04 is equal to 2. So if we calculate theta minus 59.04 is equal to cos inverse 2 over root 34, and that is equal to 69.94. Theta minus 59.4. Now let's check. So we have, this is 69.94. This is a cos positive. This is ASTC. So this angle, and then another one is this angle, that is, so that will be equal to theta minus 59.04 is equal to 69.94, and theta minus 59.04 is equal to, this complete angle is 360 minus 69.94, that is 290.06. 290.06. So theta will be 69.94 plus 59.04, and this theta will be 290.06 plus 59.04. So we have two values of theta, that is 69.94 plus 59.04, that is 128.98. So that is 129, and second is 349.1. So these are the two values of theta. Give your answer to 1 places of decimal. So that is the answer of theta to the 1 places of decimal. That is part B. Now part C is, use your solution to part A and B to deduce the smallest possible value of theta. Now you are finding this kind of a questions there. This is positive and this is negative. So what you are supposed to do is just change the sign here. So this will be equal to, so 3 cos theta minus 5 sin theta. This I can write as R is root 34 cos, this is theta minus alpha, so I'll write theta plus alpha. So this one I have written according to this, I have changed the sign, and it is saying this is equal to 2. So now theta plus alpha, smallest positive value we have to calculate. So theta plus alpha is equal to cos inverse 2 over root 34. We have already calculated this. This is 69.94. It's asking the smallest value, so we are going to take the smallest angle. So theta will be (69.94) minus alpha. Alpha is 59.04. 59.04. So smallest possible value of theta is, you subtract it, that is 10.9. So this is the smallest value of theta. The smallest positive value of theta is this. Question number 2. The point P with the coordinate lies on the curve with the equation this. Find the equation of normal. So for the equation of normal, first we have to find, our equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus dx over dy x minus x1. This is x1 and this is y1. Now we don't have dy over dx, so let's differentiate it. So this is 4x sin x is equal to pi y square plus 2x. first function is x and differential of second is cos x, plus second function sin x, differential of first is 1. That's the way I remember these formulas. Is equal to pi, differential of y is 2y dy over dx, plus 2x is 2. So dy over dx is 4x cos x plus sin x minus 2 divided by 2 pi y. Now we have to find this dy over dx at pi over 2. So dy over dx at x is equal to pi over 2. This will be 4 pi over 2 cos pi over 2 plus sin pi over 2 minus 2 divided by 2 pi, and y is 1. So this is equal to sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So this is 0, this is 1. So 4 minus 2 over 2 pi. So that will be 1 over pi. So dy dx over dy negative is negative pi. So now we put these values here. Y minus y1 is equal to negative pi, x minus x1 is pi over 2. So y minus 1 is equal to minus pi x plus that is pi square over 2. You can write any value, minus pi x plus pi square root 2 plus 1. So this is the equation of the normal. Question number 3. Find the binomial expansion of, so part A, that is 1 plus ax to the power minus 3 up to x cube we have to find. So that is 1 plus n x is ax plus n minus 1 over factorial to ax to the power, x is ax square plus 3 minus 3 n minus 1. Let me write it all here. Plus n minus 1 n minus 2 over factorial 3, 3, 2, 1 x to the power 3, x power 3. So that is equal to 1 minus 3ax. This is minus 4 divided by 2. This is minus 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 6 a square x square. This 3 and 3 cancel, negative 1 remaining. This is negative 1, negative 2. This is 2 and negative 5. That is negative 10 minus 10 a cube x cube plus that is the expansion of 1 plus ax to the power minus 3. Part B is fx is equal to 2 plus 3x over 1 plus ax to the power 3. In the series expansion of fx, the coefficient of x square is 3 and a is less than 0. Find the value of the constant a. So we have to expand it. So fx is equal to 2 plus 3x multiplied by 1 plus ax to the power minus 3. So let's see what will be the expansion. So expansion of this is, so this is already, this is 2 plus 3x. This expansion is already there, so this is 1 minus 3x plus 6 a square x square minus 10 a cube x cube plus. So now we have to multiply. First we are going to multiply the whole expansion by 2. So this will be, this is 2 multiply 1 is 2 minus 3 multiply 2 is 6 ax. This will be plus 12 a square x square, and this will be minus 20 a cube x cube. Now we are going to multiply this whole expansion by 3x. 3x times 1 is 3x. So we better write under this. So this is 3x. Then 3ax times 3, 3 times 3 is 9, minus and minus, minus and plus minus 9 a x square. 6 times 3 is 18 and this is plus, so plus 18. This is a square and this is x. 6 times 3 is 18, a square, x square, and x is x cube. So we have to find, this is x square and this is x cube. We need not to find further. So if I add this to get the expansion, I will get 2. I'll get 2 and this. Now we have to find x square. So the terms having x square is this and this. The sum of this is equal to 3. So what I'm going to write, 12 a square minus 9a is equal to 3. This is a quadratic equation. So that is 12a square minus 9a minus 3 is equal to 0. If you want, you can simplify it further, divide all by 3. So this is 4a square minus 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. If you factorize it, you will get a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1 over 4. And given that a is less than 0, so the value of a will be, so a is equal to minus 1 over 4 as a is less than 0. There's no harm to write this, so a is minus 1 over 4. Part C. Coefficient of x cube. Find the coefficient of x cube. Now x cube, this is x cube and these are the coefficient. Always take the sign. These are the coefficient of x cube. So what I'm going to write is minus 20 a cube plus 18 a square is equal to minus 20 a cube is 1 over 4 multiply 4 multiply 4, all negative, so it will become positive, plus 18 over 4 multiply 4. 4 times 5 is 20, so that is 5 over 16 plus 18 over 16, so that is equal to 23 over 16. So that is the coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube in this expansion. This is a simplified form. Question number 4. Given that gx is this and given that this is equal to x square plus a plus b, you can solve it using partial fraction, but here you have x square plus a, so my advice to you is do direct division. So that is, so we do the direct division. This is x4, this is x square, so we multiplied by x square, so it will be x square multiply x square is x to the power 4 plus x, this will be x cube, and this will be minus 12x square. We have to subtract it, so this is minus, and this will become plus. Cancel, and it will be 12 minus 7, that is 5x square plus 8x minus 48. This we multiply by plus 5. So this is 5x square plus 5x minus 60. Again we are going to change the sign. 5 minus 5 cancel, this is minus and this will be plus. So 8 minus 5 is 3x and 60 minus 48 is plus 12. Now we can write this fx in this form: gx x square plus 5 plus remainder 3 x plus 12 divide by x square plus x minus 12. So that is equal to x square plus 5 plus, this can be written as 3 x plus 4. You need not to do the factorization, it's already clear. This is 4, so 3 and 4, so it is x minus 3 and x plus 4. So it is x minus 3 and x plus 4, x plus 4 cancel, so that is equal to x square plus 5 plus 3 over x minus 3. Now this is a and this is b. So this is the value of a and this is the value of b. Find the values of a and b. Now hence or otherwise, find the equation of the tangent to the curve with the equation y is equal to gx at point x is equal to 4. Now we have to find dy over dx. So this is part B. If you integrate, differentiate this, it's difficult, but it's very easy to differentiate this. So gx, differential of g will be x square is 2x plus 5 is 0, and this will be x minus 3 is to the power minus 1, so it will be minus 3 over x minus 3 square. At x is equal to 4, g dash x will be 2 multiply 4 minus 3 over 1. So that is equal to 5. This is dy over dx at x is equal to 4, it is 5. Now we have to find the equation of tangent. We have, this is the value of x, x1, this is dy over dx. What is y? So we put x is equal to 4 here, so we get y is equal to, this is 4 square plus 5 plus 3 over 1. So that is 16 plus 5 plus 3, that is 24. So y is 24. So our equation will be y minus y1 is equal to dy over dx x minus x1. So y minus 24 is equal to 5x minus 20. Y is equal to mx plus c form we have to give. So y is equal to 5x, this will be plus 24, so it will be plus 4. So that is the value of equation, that is the equation of tangent at the given curve. Question number 5. Use integration by parts to find the exact value of x 2 is to the power x. We put limit later. Let's see, we have x 2 is to the power x dx. So let's say u is equal to x, so du over dx is 1, or du is equal to dx, and we have dv over dx is 2 to the power x, means dv is equal to 2 to the power x dx. So we will be, integration of this is 2 to the power x over ln x. Now is equal to, this is u, this is dv over dx. This is u is x and v is 2 is to the power x over ln 2. This is not x, this is 2. That is the integral of 2x's 2 is to the power x's 2 is to the power x over ln 2 minus integration of v, that is 2 is to the power x over ln x du is, that is dx. So that is equal to x 2 is to the power x over ln 2 minus, this is 2 is to the power x one, not x, this is 2, this is 2. So 1 over ln 2, and integral of 2x is 2 is to the power x over ln 2. So this I can write as x 2 is to the power x over ln 2 minus 2 is to the power x over ln 2 square. Now we have this limits, that is 0 to 2 x 2 is to the power x dx is equal to x 2 is to the power x over ln 2 minus 2 is to the power x over ln 2 square, that is 0 to 2. It means 2 multiply 2 is to the power 2 over ln 2 minus 2 is to the power 2 over ln 2 square. This is the upper value minus lower value, 0 2 is to the power 0 over ln 2, this will become 0 minus 2 is to the power 0 over ln 2 square. So if you simplify this, this is 8 over ln 2 minus 4 over ln 2 square minus, this is 0 minus minus plus 2 is to the power 0 is 1 over ln 2 square. So if you can see, ln 2 square is LCM, so this is ln 2, so I can write this as 8 ln 2 minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, and that is the solution of this question. Thank you very much for watching. I'll post the remaining question in a couple of days. Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question regarding any question of mathematics, please do ask me. Thank you.